natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. We bounced right off the 200 moving average, this green line, currently at a price of $7.96. With the 4-hour chart, we are in positive MACD. We did see it converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge, and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $25.99. My sell target is at $28.48. My stop loss is at $25.29. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $29.47. My sell target is at $26.74. My stop loss is at $30.53. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicket trading, natural gas has a 43% chance to climb between 0 to 6%. To the downside, it has a 43% chance to fall between 0 to -6%, and a 14% chance to fall between -6 to -13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.